got most of this restacked. Got all my 1x separated from my 2x. Right here, 1x to the right, 2x to the left. It's a pretty big stack. I got to restack all my studs, 2x4s. I'm gonna stack all those with posts. So until I get several stacks going with different sizes, this will work. Ugh. Really cold today. Tell him, Dookie, it's cold. I think it's I don't know what to hide it was. I don't know if it got out of freezing today, but it's pretty darn chilly all day long. Oh, get my hat back on. I hate wearing this hat because it's so itchy, or just don't like my ears being stuck in it. But at the same time, it's nice because it's cold without it. It's me and Dookie riding back up to the house. We're actually going up to the chicken houses. So we're building the new coop. Not building tonight though because it's a little cold slightly. I'm wearing my big jacket and my big overalls, bibs. Kind of hard to move in, but they're nice and warm. So I get backed up here. Watch on that side for me, Dickie. Let's see. I'm gonna pull it this way. Oh, I got the keep there. Oh. All right. Gotta get this chicken coop finished up because I hate working through all this weather. It's either too cold or it's rainy or something's going on. It makes it kind of difficult or impossible to work on this thing. be doing board and batting all the way around the sides too. We've got a couple of windows I'll be putting in the sides. These came out of my old cabin, they were busted. But I'm gonna modify those and cut the broken ends off and just use the bottom square there you see. I'll put those one on each side. And this is from the inside. Everything should shrink fine. And we'll be doing the same on the sides. My roof did start to crack, but I think it'll be okay because it's on this overhang that's a foot long. And I'll probably just fill it before I paint it anyway, because we will be painting this. I wish I had already painted it, it probably wouldn't have cracked. But it's just on that side, and I think it's just the morning sun. But it's just on this 1 foot of overhang also. It's not inside where the chickens are. But I think it will probably be okay.